Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'll talk about the Quercy platform, Quercy project. So I'll tell you about how you can purchase this token. So guys, I'm already on this page, Quercy page. So here you can see the Quercy network page. Quercy network. The link of this project you can see on my this video description box. So guys, Quercy, what is Quercy? Quercy is one platform, different core components. So here you can use here you can see all of this function. Here you can see the multi-chain crypto wallet, privacy chat, and decentralized exchange, IDO, launchpad, VPN, airdrop. So here you can see all of main things in crypto history. So guys, today I'll show you how you can purchase this token from the pre-sale, from the sale. So guys, here you can see that only 2 days left for their Quercy sale stage 2. They launch stage 2 sell in 2 days, and that is 1st December. They start the sell, and here you can see the details about this sell. Here you can see that accepted currencies, so you can pay Ethereum, BNB, BUSDT and USDT. Here you can purchase this token by Ethereum, BNB, BUSDT and USDT. So only 2 days left for the sale start time. So here you can see that there is a token for sale is one there is the maximum token for sale. I think that is 1 billion maybe, or 10 million maybe. Here you can see the price of this. There is a price of this is 0.06 per koa. That means 6 cents per koa. Here you can see the details about the sale. And guys, you must need to be here. You can read this. Please register your account before the countdown ends to reserve your spot in order to buy the Quad token when the sale begins. So guys, you must need to register here. You must need, and you, if you want to buy this token, you must need to register here. So I'll show you now how you can see the how you can do the registration. So here you can see important things. Here you can see the 10,000 plus downloads already their app. Here you can see the 5,000 plus Koa tokens holder already, and here you can see the Quercy sale will be 0.06 cents in Quercy stage 2. So here you can see the some details about Quercy. You need to just click on this view sale details. So here you can see the sale details about stage 2. So guys, one thing you should know that they already launch 2 or 3 round before sale, this sale. So guys, it's the 4th and 5th time I think the sale is running. So after that they will launch a IEO, and the IEO price will be 0.10 cents. So guys, it's the good choice, it's the good time to purchase this token at the low price. So you can see the sell until sale will start on 1st December, and the price of part token is 6 cents, and you can see the period is only it will going only 1.5 months. So here you can see the network is BEP20. Here is the contract address of Quercy. Here you can see the symbol here Koa. Here is the decimal. So see here ICO vesting, and you can see the vesting and lockup period here. So here you can see that after that they will launch a stage 3, stage 4, and stage 3 will be 0.08 and stage 4 will be 0.10. So guys, right now the price is only 0.6 cents, and it's the best time to purchase this token. Here you can see the lockup system of this token. Here you can see the right now it's going to stage 2. So it's a 6-month monthly release, 16.6 is each month. So if you purchase this token, your token will be unlocked in 6 months, and the each month will be unlocked is 60.66%. So after that 0.3 will be same 6 months unlocking, and after that stage 4 the IEO will be no lockup, and it will be trading freely. So guys, I'll show you now how to register on this platform. Here you need to just click on register now option. After click on register now option, you can see like this page. Here you can see the registration is to sell. Here you can see the your person. You need to put here your first name, your last name, your email for the confirmation, your password and your confirm password for the confirmation. Here you need to put your phone number. Here you need to your telegram username, telegram account. So after that you must need to upload your national ID card or your passport ID, passport front page or your driving license, anything you can upload here. So it's must need for your verification. And how to upload your ID card, if you don't know about that, you can simply click on this video, you can see the video here. So after that you need to fill up this your address, your town, city, postcode and all of thing you need to do and fill up. And after that you need to click on I agree and you need to click on submit. So guys, here you must need to know that this note that your account will be activated for purchasing 24 to 48 hours. After that the account will be closed and your information deleted in case of no purchase. That means if you don't purchasing in 24 to 48 hours after sale start, your account will be deleted. And in case if you don't purchase anything, so guys, it's the best choice to purchase this token because this token is now a very low prices. There is only 0.06 cents is now running. So guys, it's the best choice to purchase this token. I think you need to purchase this token because that token feature looks like very good. And you can also know about this token on their social media. If you know anything about them, you can contact them in their email. So guys, that's all of my video. I'll show you about how you so guys, I'll show you how you purchase this token in next. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you need to must register here, and you need to must a passport or ID card for the registration. So guys, that's all of my video. Hope all of you will enjoy this video, and I think all of you will purchase this token. Thank you, thanks a lot.